Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we are stepping into the future of travel with a vehicle that redefines the very essence of a luxury motorhome. If you have ever dreamed of a life on the road that refuses to compromise on elegance, performance, or cutting-edge innovation, then you need to see this. We are looking at the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, a machine that is less of a recreational vehicle and more of a private rolling estate. Let's get right into it. Walking around the exterior, you immediately notice that this is not your typical RV. It carries that unmistakable Volvo DNA, blending muscular utility with refined, aerodynamic Scandinavian design. The body is sculpted with clean, fluid lines that reduce wind resistance, while the pearl finish exterior catches the light in a way that feels intentional and sophisticated. Up front, you are greeted by the signature Thor's hammer LED headlights. Moving inside, the experience shifts entirely. Stepping through the wide entry door feels like walking into a high-end, minimalist hotel suite in Stockholm. Volvo has prioritized a space that is both functional and calming, using sustainable, premium materials that feel incredible to the touch. The lounge area is modular, allowing you to reconfigure your seating depending on whether you're hosting friends or settling in for a movie night. Now, let's talk about what makes this beast move. Under the hood, you are getting the legendary engineering that Volvo is world famous for. We are looking at a powertrain that balances raw, heavy-duty capability with modern efficiency. Depending on the configuration, you get a high-torque diesel engine that pulls like a freight train, coupled with a hybrid assist system that provides silent, emission-free cruising when you are navigating through nature reserves or early morning campsites. When it comes to the price, let's be real. This level of luxury and engineering commands a premium. It is a significant investment, sitting firmly in the ultra-luxury segment of the market. However, when you consider the quality of the chassis, the craftsmanship of the interior, and the sheer longevity of Volvo components, you are paying for a vehicle that is built to last decades, not years. This is a top-tier asset for those who view travel as their primary lifestyle. Finally, we have to talk about safety, because this is Volvo we are talking about. They have taken their industry-leading passenger vehicle safety tech and scaled it up for this massive platform. You get a full suite of driver assist systems, including collision avoidance, lane keeping assistance, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering this vehicle feel intuitive rather than intimidating. In summary, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is a bold statement. It successfully bridges the gap between rugged, go-anywhere utility and the kind of refined living that usually requires a permanent address. It is beautiful, it is incredibly capable, and it offers a level of safety that is unmatched in the motorhome industry. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of luxury travel, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more reviews on the latest in automotive innovation. Let me know in the comments, would you take this machine on a cross-country trip? I am curious to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.